G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And what I've brought in today is the Wurth range of ratchet straps. I get asked a lot about the Wurth ratchet straps, so let's have a look at them and run through the range. So our range has 7 straps in total, ranging from 450 kilos up to a whopping 5,000 kilos. The straps are all made with one continuous piece of filament, and what that does is it gives the strap a lot more strength, and it also enables it to not fray, so you don't get a frayed cord. Each strap has on it a blue tag, and on that blue tag it gives you the weight that the particular strap can hold, but it also has all the Australian standards printed on there. If I pick a strap up, and I'll take this one here, you'll notice this yellow sleeve. The yellow sleeve obviously has the weight rating on it, but these yellow sleeves are more than just that. You can slide them up and down the strap, and when you put the strap on over your load, you adjust this yellow section to go where the corners of the load are. And what that does, it just gives the strap extra protection from being cut by the load you're carrying. So the yellow part takes the load. Let's talk about the clips on the end. So the clips on the end of the Wurth tie-down ratchet straps. You've got the clip, and it's been machined at the end, so it's not sharp at all. So there's no danger of it scratching your vehicle or your trailer. Then we have this locking clip that comes over the top. So once it's secured around the tube of the trailer or the ute or wherever or the truck you're loading it onto, that retaining clip then secures it. Once there's tension put on there, it cannot come down past the hook here. So you know your load is going to be secured. So now let's go out and have a look how we use them. So the ratchet straps are all different lengths depending on the weights that they can hold. So the 450 kilo is 4 metres long. The 750 is 5 metres long. The 1,000 and 1,500 kilo straps are 6 metres long, and the 2,500, 3,000 and 5,000 kilo straps are 9 metres long. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Wurth.